Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome to another London session stream. It is Thursday, the 2nd of April, 2026, and we are ready and excited to do this with you guys. Put a 1 in the chat like the legend Heinz X Steak if you're excited for the day. Put a 1 in the chat if you love your family. Put a 1 in the chat if you love your dog. Put a 1 in the chat if it's sunny outside. Put a 1 in the chat if it's rainy outside. I don't even care what it is right now, as long as you put them 1s in the chat. That's the only thing I care about. But before we dive into the charts and look at everything that Trump has messed up again, let me introduce you to the one and only Australian, Balinese, Greek, Serbian, Vietnamese, ICT trading, 50-minute sweeping, 1 minute inversing, newly fiancé club member, Nar saying, daughter saying, back gambling, not to Mexico, flying, airport heading, AI trading, movie trailer voice heading, positive other, 9 cat ticker watching, filet of fish hating, chair crashing, FIFA losing, goat of stop loss, digital nomad, roaring kitty, see money. Good morning.
Hey, good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday. Happy last day of the week, which is weird. Last trading day of the week.
Well, not the last trading day, just the last normal trading day.
Normal trading day. That's true. That is true. We have half-day markets tomorrow. But last stream of the week. So let's hope today is going to be a killer stream, banger stream. Obviously, yeah, markets have dumped, and I haven't even caught up on the latest from Trump. So maybe someone want to catch us up on what the hell Trump spoke about, because this market has crashed. But that doesn't mean we can't still trade it. Still looking tradable right now. We are having a bit of a pullback. So I know, Nick, you're in a trade. So let's get right into it.
Let's get the party started. I'm long NQ from 23,791.50. Targeting 23,881.75 to pass another trade C growth account. That would be the plan here. So we'll hold it either for passing it or hitting DLL. But so far, so good. Let's see. Who has passed trade C evals here in the chat? Anybody who got trade C accounts already funded? I have 1 so far. 2 evals are like 2K and 3K in profit. And now this one, if it hits TP, will be the second funded. Nice, so we'll see. Nice. We'll see. But so good.
I will admit to the chat, the reason we laughed as we were coming on was Nick was giving me last minute instructions because I've been having trouble. Well, I've just been lazy to load up my trade C accounts. So bear with me. Nick, take over for 2 seconds. I just need to get my accounts in order.
All right. So again, Celine, you got to hit F12, right?
Yes. I'm in the application part.
Okay. And then go to the left side where it says storage. Right here, click storage. And then where there's a clear site data, don't click it yet. Don't click it yet.
Okay.
Button. Right next to it, there's a checkbox that says including third-party cookies. Activate that, and then hit clear site data, and that's it. Easy peasy. Done?
What the hell?
She's like, computing.
I don't know.
It's not working?
Let me screenshot this. I'll send it to you.
You're anyway, AI. What are you doing?
I don't know. How is everyone going? I hope you guys have your trade C accounts in order. Don't be like me. Be like Nick, and be prepared. Because I did tell you guys I was gonna have it ready, and here I am, not ready yet.
Why are you lying, Hanya?
I know. But Chad, how are we doing? Who's in trades? Who's in these longs?
I am.
Longs looking good.
No idea why you dropped it in that group chat, but okay.
Oh my god, they drop it in. Oh my god.
You're on cookies. You gotta go up to storage, as I told you. The third from the top menu, left side. Third option is storage.
Okay, I see.
And then hit the checkbox, and then.
All right, including third party, clear site data.
Yes, and now you got it.
All right, I'm good. All right, carry on.
All right, Momo from Ireland. Okay. Good morning. Leah, what's up? Hope you're doing well. Wait, Damona. I don't even know how to say your name. You passed 3 accounts last night. Congrats. Very nice. Amir, good morning. Good morning, GHXST Trader. Good morning, JC Health. Good morning, Shailesh. Good morning, G4Geo. Good morning, Heinz X Steak, the legend. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Abu Adam. Good morning, Awesome. Good morning, Amir. Good morning, Andre the Giant. Good morning, Vipul Tivari. Good morning, Drew Ramsey. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Well. Morning, Cheese Balls.
Morning, Amir. Morning, Andre.
Andre the Giant.
Echo Trader.
Taco Trader. Good morning to Sweden, eh? All right. Let's see if we can get these longs. Chat, put a 1 in the chat if you think I can get these longs.
Get it.
Hitting 881.75. Put a 2 in the chat if you think I'm going to hit DLL first. Let's find out.
Ones only.
Shen
I'm
Long
also...
says-
Oh, yeah,
What?
go.
Go ahead.
I was going to say, I'm also eyeing up a long. I do really like this market for a long, only because we have, like, I do see Asia session having dumped, but it has only just done, if you zoom out, like, hourly chart, it just looks like a pullback. Honestly, this huge move since Monday has been just like, big pump move. Even I think 4 hour is just, like, straight bullish candles. So having a pullback like this is nothing scary. I still think it's definitely got bullish momentum in the NQ right now, and I think having pulled back to a 4 hour FVG like this in roughly, that's probably like, looks like 50% of this leg, looks like a nice place to have a bounce, have a bit of a reversal back to the upside. So I like it.
Yeah.
Gonna try enter along.
Okay. Joining me instead of fading me. I like it.
Oh, yeah.
I like it.
I like it.
Hey, Leah, I saw it and I felt so sorry for the chat. Like, that was so evil. What Nick did to you guys. Oh my god.
Wait, I didn't catch this.
So he completely rigged a fake giveaway. He did like a wheel with like amazing prices, and one of which was 25 150k lightning funded accounts, which was the smallest option. Of course, it was rigged and it landed on that option, right?
Oh,
It was all pre-planned. And then he did like an elimination game where the people who were not eliminated would get one of these 25 150k lightning funded accounts. But everybody got eliminated, and then it says the winner is April Fools.
oh my god.
That was so evil.
Classic Spudley.
Yeah,
That's
that was
so
very,
evil.
very evil. So I'm sorry, guys, if
Sorry for
you
him.
had to, if you had to experience that. Really,
We're trying to get rid of him. We are, chat. We're trying to get a new
fucking
Spud.
Sputnik, man. I don't know.
Get rid of him.
Also, like, what crazy person puts anything else but ketchup on a hot dog? Like,
Oh, that was hilarious.
the heck?
We honestly have some of the best marketing team, I swear.
The heck?
I gotta agree there. Ketchup does belong on the hot. If it belongs in anything, it's on hot dogs.
Bingo. Bing fucking go.
I'm with you on that. We can agree there.
Yep.
Are you in the long sling? Amir, no, not yet. Do really like it. I really like this. At the moment, I'm waiting for a sweep of the previous 15-minute low for my entry model. But I still think there's a lot of room to the upside. I mean, Asia has such a large range to work with here. Definitely, like, for me, first targets would be even that previous 4 hour high at 23,967. So I think there's got a lot of room here to the upside. But yeah, not yet.
Cam, what is this EMA? I have a couple. I have the 9 EMA. That's the light blue one here. Then the dark blue one is 120 EMA. And then the yellow one is a 200 EMA. Right now, we are 33 points of profit. We need 90 to pass the account.
I think this is a good day to go for those 90-point trades, though. Like, this seems
It's
like
always a good day to go for 90-point trades.
that is true. That is true. But some days in the London session, you know, it'd be chopping around. But today feels like one of those days we're going to get a nice move.
Let's
Don't
see.
want to talk too soon. Don't want to talk too soon, though.
Never over until it's over.
That's right.
Let's see. Leia says it looked like blood orange juice. It was so liquidy. Yeah, very, very true. It didn't look like ketchup. That is very true.
Who I am the Witcher says, hey Slane, I've been closely watching your trades and like how you trade, but still I didn't understand. Can you please break down your strategy? Yeah, in the simplest terms, I guess I trade like a PO3 system that uses the alignment between the 4 hour and the 15-minute time frame. So basically I wait for when there's an alignment of a sweep, so a high time frame. In this case, because previous 4 hour low has been swept on the NQ, I'm looking for a moment in the NQ when previous 15-minute has also been swept. And then I want to get in the distribution to the upside once that has happened. It's just you call it like a pattern or something I noticed and something I built a model around. And then the signal for the entry, it's not just like longing after those sweeps. Like I do need a signal to tell me that this is the moment, is an inversion fair value gap. So that's pretty much it. There's more like context to it in terms of like high time frame fair value gaps and when we're respecting those, and like market conditions, are we in a chopping range, and blah blah blah, like other things that sort of add to the strategy. But in simplest terms, that's what I look for. Hope that makes sense. Mm-hmm. Oh no!
I'm like McDonald's now. What?
I just read Momo's fading.
It's okay. As in, I'll ban the shit out of you. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Is it okay? Are we gonna allow that?
No.
Momo?
Well, you know.
Momo, when he's not even a bunsa swish.
A boinsle swish. Mama, why are you not a boinsle swish? Huh?
I love saying that. There's something fun
A
about it.
Bünzli Schweizer, Celine. A Bünzli.
A bunsa.
Yeah, a Bünzli.
Peter, why is Nasdaq going up when oil is just pumping and percent? Oh, when oil is pumping 6%. Guys, I don't know with this war anymore, or geopolitically what is happening. Let's have a look at, yeah, oil is still above 100 right now. So pretty crazy times we're in. I don't know.
Here's the thing about oil.
Mm.
Trump cannot allow oil to go over $4 a gallon. Like gas to go over $4 a gallon, because that's everything he criticized about Joe Biden, right? Saying like, oh, gas above $4, etc. So whenever gas hits $4 a gallon, Trump has to give us good news about the Iran war to drop the price of oil, and therefore, because he gives us good news about the Iran war, it actually pumps NQ. So high oil is good for NQ to pump, because it means that Trump is going to say anything to get the price of oil down. That's the whole spiel here.
Wow. That makes a lot of sense, actually, when you put it like that.
Yep. Question is, can we hit this TP? Can Trump say something, please? Please, Mr.
Can he
Trump?
just wake up? Can he wake up and then say something?
Mr. Trump, say something. Say like you don't like a baguette.
Oh yeah, it also is. Wait, bank holiday today. DJ Live says it's also bank holiday today. Nick, no, it's bank holiday.
No.
It's actually not bank
holiday.
And
he retracted the message already.
What would entry be, Sling? Can you show? I can show you if it does come. Right now, I can tell you what I'm looking for on NQ. That is a sweep of this level here, which is the previous 15 minutes low. In 3 minutes, that level is going to change actually. So at the moment, I'm looking for 23,783 to be swept. But obviously, when the new 15 candle opens now, then the previous 15-minute candle's low will change. So it will now be this low. But anyway, we'll see. If we get it's got 2 minutes to get down there and sweep. Otherwise, I'll be looking for a new low to get swept. Because basically, I see this right now just printing higher lows on NQ. So we are in that bullish market structure right now. So I'm hoping to get a part of this move. I do like it.
LRN C. Castro, can someone explain to me the new pricing on getting an account? I'm thinking to get the Growth 50K account. Well, it's very straightforward. If you go to tradeify.co, click on Get Funded, it's automatically going to take you down to the accounts and the pricing. If you want to get a 50K growth, for example, hit Growth, hit 50K. I would go with Rhythmic because that allows you to trade in TradeC. And then you see the price. $87 one time. It's no subscription anymore, nothing. Literally, you pay $87 and you start making money. If you pass the account and hit profit targets. Easy.
And the best part about that, like you guys who like to like use your eval stage to, I don't know, practice your trading, your risk management, whatever, like there's no rush. There's no rush anymore. Like other props, I'm not going to name, but like that have this subscription model. It's old. It's like we're done with that now. You take your eval, you pay one fee, and you take as long as you need.
Star Trader Nick, will you be taking the long weekend or are you back on Monday? I think Monday is normal, right?
I think we're back. Yeah.
I mean,
Monday
in Switzerland, Monday is like pretty big holiday. So nobody works in Switzerland on Monday, but I will.
Nick just loves to stream. Nick lives for this.
Oh, hell yeah. I still get a cat fucking Moltres on stream and call it Coltress, right? So.
I'll never forget you got back from oh yes, we still need to do that, Coltress. But I'll never forget you got back from a flight or you were on the train the next minute. You're like, hey, I just got back home. I'll jump on the New York stream, why not?
CJ Life says work. CJ, what do you mean by work?
Hey, that's offensive.
This is fucking work, brother. Ha! What are you talking about?
This is hard work.
See how much money? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh yeah, I got some of
Make all that money working here. Okay.
Oh, do I even make any? What's going on? Oh, there we go.
Oh,
I got one.
One money. Congrats.
Thank you.
You're rich
well
now.
Deserved.
And no, Roman does not count as a money gun to clip.
That's funny.
It's like in the background, like, yeah, shut the fuck up.
Yeah, Leia, Monday and holidays in Sweden too. Same in Australia. We have the day off normally.
Are you going to be here?
Yes, I will.
Okay, great. So I can take the day off. I'm kidding.
No, literally, you can.
Nah, I'm kidding. I'm going to be, so here's my plan. I'll be streaming London. Then I'm driving to my parents' home because my entire family will be there for like Easter brunch.
And then you're going live.
Etc. No. After London stream. So we have brunch, etc. Then after brunch, I come back to the New York stream and everything's going to be perfect.
Well, you should just go live with the fam.
Shit, with my nephew, that would be crazy. He's insane.
That would be so fun. Is that the one that likes Pokemon?
Yeah, hanging out with my nephew is like a fucking workout. It's more intense than running a half marathon.
So he's high energy. We love that.
Way too high energy.
We need like a him and a Sputnik stream. That segment.
Oh my god.
We need to make. How old is he?
He's turning 7 this year.
Okay, so he can pull a sentence together.
Well, not in English though.
Oh, that would be even better.
He would just be talking Swiss German like.
Wieso ist ein
Hartäpfel? Wieso ist ein Hartäpfel da? Hallo.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah, Leia, I have no idea how you do it. Honestly, I have no idea how you do it. Okay, this trade is looking good so far. We are 43 points in profit, halfway there, almost. What did you want to say?
I was going to read out, Xanaman was asking about my trade yesterday based on YM. No, it was literally just based on a 4-hour sweep on NQ. So whenever I'm looking at the sweeps, I'm only ever sometimes referring to ES if it is a SMT moment. But yesterday we did actually sweep the NQ previous 4-hour high and then the previous 15-minute high. So that's why I was in those shorts yesterday. And we had a 1-minute inversion. So it was a legitimate trade as much as I was making fun of being in it. I just told you guys that it was like lower probability because if I was going against bullish market structure, but still a valid trade to be in. Just, yeah, lower probability. But yeah. Where are the trolls today, by the way? Where are those trolls? That was a 100-point trade. And they all vanished today.
It's always the same spiel here. Always. Dun, 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 dun.
By the way, I saw, I don't know if any of you guys know Chris Williamson, but went to his live show yesterday. Really,
it in your story.
Really.
Fire.
Yeah, he's really cool. Got a great story. Just like he speaks really well, very motivating. Actually, you know what's funny? One of you, Johnny in the chat had DM'd me and was like, I went to school with that guy. Which Johnny, if you're here, I want to know, like, Tell us more. That is like what a cool
Funny.
dream. Fun fact.
Mind G420 says, "Hi Nick and Celine, I love you." Mind G420, we love you.
Hey, we love you more. I am the Witcher. Considering your entry model, how many trades do you get every day averagely? Well, I can show you how many times that sort of what I just talked about, the alignment can show. Like, obviously there were buys looking in the Asia session. Nothing I would take here because of the market structure, but that alignment can happen multiple times a day, like maybe 20 times a day. But like a clean entry for me would maybe happen once or twice. If I'm lucky. Sometimes in the London session, you guys see I don't get anything. So it's not an everyday thing. It just varies. But it is frequent. It is frequent. If it's not in London, though, I will normally have a New York session set up. So every day. I could say at least 1 or 2 every day.
Damn. TY Thomas Solutions. Nick, if I did 2 long days in Switzerland, what would be the must-do excursions in July? 2 days is very short, but if I were you, I would go to Grindelwald, Lauterbrunnen, I'll put it in the chat, and Lucerne, of course. I mean, come on, man. But that's what I would do.
Come on. Grindelwald.
Grindelwald? Grindelwald! Oh my god, I cannot speak.
Lauterbrunnen. Lucerne.
Lauterbrunnen. Celine, ja?
Ja, Bunzles, Swish, ja.
Manuel, yes, I'm in Lucerne. I am in Lucerne. Andre the Giant says, Nick, pump the market. We need that 23,862. Hell yeah, we do. 861.75 is my TP.
Peter saying gold looks nice. Nice wicks on the 4 hours. Would you be looking for longs? If you're asking me, yes. Yeah, this would be a day I'd be looking for longs on gold. Similar to NQ, what's happened here is we swept out previous 4 hour low and haven't yet swept out a previous 15-minute low. So I'm waiting for a pullback sweep. But yeah, damn. We also dropped heavily on gold overnight. So this would be nice to long. Back into Asia range. I will also keep an eye on gold, actually. Let's see what we get.
Yeah, gold has a massive bump. Massive bump. Momo says, wait a second, my account is blown. 150k. I have $2,400 loss and the account is gone. Well, that means you didn't have more than 2,400 left in drawdown. Because DLL would be 37.50.
Yeah.
3
something.
I need this TP because once I hit TP, I can actually catch Moltres.
Amir, I'm going to answer this real quickly because he's asking, can you please answer my question? Sorry. So he says, are there no monthly charges on select accounts as well? What if you bought them before the update? If you bought them before, then they're still on the normal subscription. But if they're on the new, if you've bought them like after 3.0 dropped, then no subscription. All right. Okay, so looking actually for a long entry now. That's previous 15-minute low just got swept. So I'm watching the 1 minute to see if there's a reaction here and an inversion.
I like it.
Salim, do you have a continuation entry if you missed? No, the thing is, I guess the model, like there's no way that I could have missed the 4 hour sweep. Like as soon as the 4 hour low is swept, I've got that entire move to take a long. What can happen sometimes is I miss the previous 15-minute sweep, and sometimes that might happen. Like we might get just like a massive like bullish run, and then we've only swept out one previous 15-minute low, and the rest is just like bullish candles on the 15-minute chart the entire way up. So that can happen sometimes where I miss that one time, so I don't really have a continuation set up for that. But yeah, that makes sense. Those are the only days that are hard for me to trade because I'm waiting for this sort of moment, like this specific time in price where the 15 and the 4-hour aligns, and sometimes that just doesn't always happen, or sometimes it happens like once and then we just get like a pump and I'll miss that. So yeah. But 4-hour, I can't really miss the 4-hour low sweep because once it sweeps, I've got that entire 4 hours to take a trade.
Dun, 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 dun. Mr. Marker, please go up. Mr. Marker, please go up. Mr. Marker, please go up. Mr. Marker, please go up.
It's working.
Mr. Marker, please go up. Mr. Marker, please go up. Mr. Marker, please go up. Please go up. Mr. Marker, please go up. Mr. Marker, please go up. Mr. Marker, please go up. Okay. I gotta stop now. Otherwise, I'm gonna be.
You're gonna have like a red mark on your head.
Otherwise, I'm gonna be signed into a mental hospital or something.
Oh yeah, we're gonna get back to Roman. Roman, by the way, I've got to send you the timestamp for that Nick moment yesterday. I forgot.
Or what?
I will send. You don't remember your moment you had yesterday when you heard the echo? When you heard yourself echoing?
I don't know.
That's all right. Well, you can wait till it comes out in short form on YouTube.
I'm streaming too much every day. I have no idea what I did. I have no idea what I did.
That's even better. You can find out with the rest of everybody else.
All right. Andre Giant says, everyone grab a pen. That's correct. Please, Marker, go up. I don't even know what I said. What did I say?
It was Mr. Marker.
Mr. Marker, please go up. Mr. Marker, please go up. Mr. Marker, please go up.
I got the. This is actually hurting.
Well, with the money gun, it's a different song though. It's like. Oh god.
Nothing's working. I'm in a short, says Shaxter. Please dump. Well, look. I want that for you, but I have to back up my co-host here. Otherwise, I could get fired, You know that's part of the contract?
What?
Guys, that's the truth. I can't ever vouch for your guys. If Nick's in a long and you guys are in shorts, I have to tell you it's the wrong trade. It says it's on my contract.
Chat. She's lying. Okay.
Brett will fire me.
She's lying.
No, I'm kidding. Brett would never. Yes.
Justin says you're on stream like half of your life. That's not true. I'm streaming 4 hours a day. No, wait, 4.5 hours a day.
Half of his day, maybe not half of his life.
4.5 hours is not half of my day. What the hell? It's like a quarter of my day.
True. But if he could be half of his life on stream, trust me, he would be. It's too much fun though.
It's working. Mr. Marker, please go up. 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 See?
Wait, let me check if ES has done anything. No. Oh yeah, it is an SMT at the low with ES. Okay.
Shaxter says, I'm in a short, please dump. How about no? Andre, hell yeah, it's working. All right, chat. Also, let's consider really quick what Leia just put in the chat here. Leia said, where was it? 129 likes. What is this?
Oh my gosh.
500 plus viewers, 129 likes. What the hell?
No. Mm-mm.
Get us to 414 likes, and we're gonna do a giveaway.
That's not good enough, chat. You know what? Not good enough. Nick and I don't even April Fool's you or anything like Spud Nick. Nope. All right. We're actually out here trying to give you accounts for free, and all you have to do is like the damn channel, the stream. Not even the channel, just like the stream.
Okay, get us to 500 likes today. We'll give away 150k lightning funded account.
Oh hell yeah! You heard him, guys. Go and get us to 500. You'll be thanking us.
500 real ones though, not bot ones. If anybody buys bots, I'm gonna take the 150k lightning funded away, like right away.
It'll be a negative 150k lightning
And
funded.
I know. Yeah, you gotta pay for one of our 150k lightning funded. And I know when bots come in. Don't even try to mess with me here. I know.
He's the all-knowing. Oh, this is good for you to have that voice on now. I know.
So that would have actually been good.
Did you guys see the Artemis 2 launch? I didn't know he was actually getting it.
Don't even try to mess with me, alright? If you bring bots to the like count, I know.
He knows, Chad. He's always watching. Always listening. Sounds like a Santa Christmas carol. He knows when you've been sleeping.
Okay, market. Go up. Hit 881.75. And I'm gonna be golden.
Yeah, there was a ES SMT that we had, which is good for the longs. I'm just keeping an eye on this 1 minute gap. I might enter this.
You didn't enter yet, right?
Nope. I am gonna enter. And I'm gonna enter on micros.
Oh, Devan is saying, Nick and Celine, since you guys host such an amazing show, why don't we have a particular code for YouTube to give a boost to you guys as well? Hey, I really appreciate that. However, that's not necessary because we like doing this and Tradeify is very kind to us. So,
yes.
But I appreciate it. Got a
All right,
long
here we go.
going, says Maverick. Godspeed, brother. You're in longs too?
I'm in longs.
Shake my hand.
Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh, you know, yesterday, I did not realize I had to go back and watch a stream for a moment to see. Sometimes I go back after the stream and just watch myself and get the ick. But yesterday I realized you for 5 minutes turned around when you were Celine, why are you fading me? And I was completely out of it, getting myself into my trade, and I did not realize that you had your back to me for 5 minutes and we were just complete silence.
Oh, you didn't even see that?
I didn't know, because sometimes when I have my Tradeify screen up here, it goes over the ninja room.
Oh, that's funny.
That was actually so funny. I'm funny. So sorry. That would have been hilarious though for the chat. What is she doing?
That's funny. All right, what is my TP? Wait, who asked? Somebody asked. I saw it. It was Michael Sparrow. My TP, here we go. I'll zoom in for you so you can see it. 23881.75. Motri, how to participate in the giveaway. Don't worry. Worry about hitting the like goal first, and then I'll explain how to participate in the giveaway. You'll see. It's easy. Sorry, Luke is asking, what's your TP, Celine?
Oh, sorry. I just put it in. 89,350.
All right.
350.
Leah, does anyone remember the date for the McDonald's stream? Been looking but didn't find it. The date was the 11th of March. I think. Right?
Something like that. Yeah, that sounds familiar.
I think it was the 11th of March. Yeah. Fucking guy who didn't deliver my order, man. I'm still pissed.
Yeah, that was bad. And you pay You pay a lot in Switzerland for
I
your
would have
delivery.
given him $100 tip, man, and he didn't even deliver.
What was his name? He had the best name as well, Ignacio.
Was it like Giacomo or something?
Oh yeah, Giacomo.
Something like that.
Something like that. That was funny. Did you read Celtics fans' comments? Lena's a nice nurse. What the?
Who's coming?
Celtics fan. I'm just gonna read it out now because I'm trying to.
That's a nice nose. Wow.
What the hell?
Cool.
Thank you. Great. I feel so great about myself now.
Some people are funny. Hello, Papa. Asking which one of you prefer New York or Lund market? It really depends on the day. Sometimes London market is fucking awesome and New York sucks. Some days London sucks and New York is fucking awesome. So I don't really care about the session. It's like, it can be anything, honestly.
I think I'm going to go ahead and say I prefer London. I'm just going to go ahead and admit that. Only because lately, I think with Trump's administration in New York, I can more often than not like get wicked out in some crazy volatile like 1 minute candle. And I hate that. But the only way I've been getting around that recently is just adapting to like the ATR. Like what is actually, if a 1 minute candle's average true range is like 60 points and having a stop of 30 points is just not going to cut it. So I have been trying to get around it like that. But generally speaking, London is a bit smoother these days than New York.
I'm shaking my head because Justin said, it's crazy how Switzerland is so expensive, but IKEA is so cheap.
Wait, who said that? Justin. He's obviously trolling.
I hope for him that he's trolling. Otherwise, his IQ is 26. But let's actually answer another important question here, which is, wait, where is it now? No. Oh, here. Denzel asked, Nick, is the new TradeC platform available for all challenges? Look, Denzel, if we go to my screen real quick, Roman. If you go to tradeify.co, right, you click get funded. Whatever challenge you click here, growth, select, lightning, 25, 50, 100, 150, doesn't matter. Whichever one you choose. As long as you pick Rhythmic as your platform, you are going to be able to trade on TradeC. So the answer is yes. Ooh, okay. We're halfway to TP. 44 points in profit, 47 points in profit, 46, nice, 47, nice. 45, 43, 42, 42, 43, 44. All right, let's see.
My, who was asking that? What's your, Tushar, the best microman, says Slay, what's your entry TP and SL? Its entry is 827, 23, 827. Stops at the 15-minute low, 79.50, and then targeting 893.50.
893.50. Similar target. You're going a little bit higher than I am.
Where's your TP again?
881.75.
881.
Actually, you know what? For people to better see it, because TradeC is fucking sick, and we now have the trading view tools. I can put in this visual P&L as well, like this. Chat. Bada bing, bada bong. This is what we're going for. Here you go. Looks nicer. Very good.
Looks very nice.
Look at it go. 53 points in profit.
Love 54
it. 54 points in profit. We need 90 though. We need 90. You know what, Leah? It's funny. Leah says, a very successful trader I follow with 18 years of trading experience said this the other day. Go into the market without expectations. That's what I'm trying to achieve. So I know a trader who makes insane amounts of money. And when I say insane amounts of money, in the last 2 weeks, he has made $25 million. Like,
oh my.
Insane amounts of money.
Oh my.
And he says go in with the expectation to make fucking money. His last losing day was 450 trading sessions ago.
Whoa.
So I disagree with that statement.
That is fascinating.
Very fascinating.
It's not something I'd expect to hear, but there you go. Trust from a guy who's up 25 mil in
Hey,
2 weeks.
G for Chio, I got you, man. I thought a little shout out for you wouldn't hurt, you know.
Jeez, damn. I can't believe there are actual people making that kind of money out there, which is crazy. Crazy to think.
Yep. His name is Donald Trump. No, it's
What's his
actually,
name? Oh, sorry, it's actually Baron Trump.
yeah, I was kidding. Nah, it's not.
That is
It's crazy.
insane,
Like
man.
he trades. It's insane. It's insane.
We need to get him on. What sort of like does he have like a strategy, or it's like go with the vibes, go with the feels?
Imagine you go with the wives and you make 25 million in 2 weeks.
Literally. I wouldn't even be surprised, honestly. This market is so random. Like he's probably just a lucky guy. I don't know.
Frequency, you are absolutely right. Says guy with 25M in 2 weeks, for sure he's not on socials. He is not.
Yeah,
Like you will not find anything about him, ever.
that's
Anywhere.
so cool.
He hired like an agency that scrapped everything about him online. Like there's no trail. He doesn't exist online. Frank, what
Herman-
market is he playing? He trades NQ. NQ only, nothing else.
Roman saying he has insiders 100%. Roman, you might be onto something there. Maybe. Nick, would you know? Or he wouldn't say. Maybe he's got that inside information.
Maybe. I don't know. I've actually, here's the crazy part. I've actually seen him move the market. Like he says, I'm taking profit here on 270 minis. He takes
And then you
profit
see it.
and the market just,
That is crazy.
it is crazy. Leia, very fair point. She says that's sick. Thing is though, at the level that most traders are, they need to not expect to be able to focus on their system. Wait, they need to not expect to be able to focus on the, yeah, okay, got it. Yeah, good point.
25 mil though, like I can't even fathom like pulling millions from the market, yet alone 25 in 2 weeks. That is ridiculous.
Here's the crazy thing.
Yeah.
He had last week on, I think, Thursday, so like exactly a week ago, he had an $8 million day.
What?
Like-
At that point, it's like a game. At that
Oh, yeah.
point, it's like, this is
Oh,
just
yeah.
like a fun, you know, I just want to click a button and see if I can make a meal.
That's
That is
crazy.
insane. That's like, okay.
Sorry, I was just about to say, AG Trader, Nick, can you explain your take profit level? Is it an R multiple or a technical level? It is the level where I passed this eval. But it also makes sense for me. But yeah, what were you about to say, Celine? Sorry.
I was going to say, it's similar if you guys know who Julian Petroulis is, but he's an Australian, but he's
course.
very
Whenever he says he buys a stock, I buy it immediately. Every
straight
single time.
in.
Every single time I make money.
It
Literally every
is
single time.
crazy. I'm thinking about it. I'm thinking about just buying some of the
Don't think.
recent buys.
Already too late. Already too late. Don't think. You just got to do it. The recent ones he posted, I bought all of them.
Rocket Labs. Did you buy Rocket Labs?
I bought all of them. So
They announced a partner. I swear he's got insider though.
okay, look,
Is it-
all of the ones that he posted, I immediately bought them. Firefly, I'm up 11.7%. MU, which is Micron Technology, I'm up 11.9%. And Rocket Lab, I'm up 8.9%. Every single one of them. Like, don't think when he posts, just buy it. Don't.
Yeah,
don't
I missed
even,
it already. That was only last week. He posted.
Yeah, I
Rocket
always
Lab.
buy it like immediately. Whenever I see him post, done. Sign me up.
Insane. Free money, literally. He's giving out free money there. For those who don't know, Julian Petroulis, go and look him up on Twitter or X, wherever. He's on Instagram too, but most of his like financial stuff is on X when he posts about like trading and stuff like that. But he floats like millions of dollars in profit in. That's why I brought him up, because for him it's like a game, I think, at this point.
Yep. Yeah, and no, this other guy I was talking about, that's a different guy, but he would not come on stream.
Oh yeah, he's
There's no way.
He wouldn't even. I get it. Like he doesn't. Why would he need social media or any of like this sort of attention? He's a real one.
It's crazy. Very inspiring though. Very inspiring.
Yeah, that is. I'm just trying to think. Like, would I still, if I was like making that much money, would I still be trading? I think I still would, just for the. It's just too much fun not to.
I mean, look, it's just whenever you reach a goal, whenever you reach a milestone in life, you're gonna automatically, by nature, you're gonna set a bigger one. So even if you made, like, let's say, like for me, one of my big milestones is make $1 million a month, right? I've been working on this since I started my businesses. Haven't reached it yet. However, I know for a fact, once I reach it, I will set a new one, and I will. That one would probably be like 2.5 million a month, and then I will go to 5 million a month, and then I'll go to 10 million a month, and it's never gonna stop. It's like human nature. You either expand, or what's the opposite of expand? What's the word?
Retract.
Contract? Retract?
Contract? Yeah.
Whatever. So the opposite. Yeah, you can't stand still as a human being. It doesn't work. Like you either progress or you're getting worse.
I feel like I'm at the Chris Williamson show right now. This is exactly what we're talking about. Like in a room full of like type A personalities, and he was talking, because a lot of the people that would have been at this talk yesterday, like e-com owners, business owners, traders, like all that type of thing. And it was like he put it to the audience to ask questions, like what are problems you guys are facing, and like a question that kept coming up was like, oh, how do I know? Like people really struggle to just stop, and like. Because they're just, they want more and more and more and more. But like it's part of like some people's personality. You just can't help it. There'll just always be another business goal or another, which is an awesome thing because we're just naturally like go-getters. We just want to keep achieving. But yeah, just got to find the balance, I guess.
Yeah. Justin asks, does he have a Bugatti? No, he likes electric cars and he has 20. It's so stupid, but I like it. It's funny.
That's crazy. And he lives in Switzerland?
No, in the US.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I would hate to see his tax. That is insane. Well, or maybe he's got. Well, actually, no. He's probably.
If that's your concern.
Well, he probably knows what he's doing, so he's probably fine.
Yeah. Hey. Utam B says, the best streaming I've come across on YouTube. Thanks for making trading simpler. Keep doing great work. Hey, we love you, man. Thank you. Appreciate you. Cheese boss, that's right. It's such a German thing to say that.
What did he say?
You said.
Oh.
I would hate to have a tax bill. That's a very German thing to say.
Well, who likes tags? Whatever. We don't have to have this argument on stream.
That's funny. That is a very funny. Hey, we're getting there. We are up 57 points now. 58, 59.
Almost there.
Imagine it just dumps now.
I know. I'm also like weary of that. I'm thinking I might go break even because I'm copy trading this trade on funded, so I need to think here.
61 points. Ghost Trader says break even, Nick. Nope. Uh, 67 points. Haha.
Let's go. I'm pretty sure we're going to just fly through this Asia range, this entire drop. That would be nice. I readjusted, by the way, my TP level. So the original is still there, but I'm just taking off 2 micros and then leaving the other 2 for 962.25. A little bit more. Asking for a big.
All right.
This would be 134 points. Let's see.
I'm waiting. Need 25 points more. Somebody asked for the like goal. Who was it? I don't even know who it was. Anyways, the like goal is 414 for the normal giveaway and 500 for a 150k lightning funded account. But without bots. If anybody buys bots, I see it. And then we're not going to do a giveaway at all. 0.
You'll be in trouble.
Andre, you are so right. Mr. Market, please go up. Mr. Market, please go up. Mr. Market, please go up. Mr. Market,
wait, I'll do this one.
Market, please go up.
How many more points do you need?
24.
All right. Let's go, Market. Let's go. Leia's spot on. There's over 600 of you watching right now. So only a few of you, I'm not going to do the math, but like, we literally only need 100 more likes to get that first giveaway. Go and do it. Don't be lazy. Who else is in these longs with us, chat? Let us know. Let us know. Let us. Risto, I deserve to win past eval yesterday and today morning got rebuild. Oh, that's so annoying.
That is annoying.
But grab yourself if you're on the new evals. No more subscriptions. But yeah, feel your pain. Jonathan, I was asking about you this morning. He says good morning. But I was asking because you said you went to school with Chris Williamson. We need to know more. We need to know about this.
That is crazy.
Ah, he's also in longs. Nice, nice. Utam B in longs, Gabe in longs, Shaxter in, Natalie's in with us. All right. A lot of you in longs. Let's go.
We are all in longs. I need higher though. Higher. Higher.
We're going up.
We don't know the lyrics.
Carla, no. Do the new no subscription accounts expire after 30 days? No.
Hey. Visionary, the last file says, oh my God, y'all, just saved me. I was down $1,400, came in here, just got out, made $2,300. Thank you. Today's my 5th, so I'll be getting paid.
Hell yeah! Wait, I'm gonna pull out Money Gun for that. Hell yeah!
Woo-hoo. Let's go.
That was That's a nice news. Anyone else got news like that for us? Let us know, and I can pull out my Money Gun again.
I mean, I'll pull out the Money Gun once we hit TP.
That too. NQ wants to get up there. Thank you, NQ.
Abhishek, yeah, I used a 90 EMA, and up here I have 200 and 120 EMA. Oh, we're getting up there, chat. We're getting up there. We're coming closer.
Come on, NQ.
We are coming closer. And I love to see it.
We're going up.
We are literally the worst. Can't even remember the lyrics, lady.
I know. I'm the worst with lyrics. I can remember melodies. I could hear a song. Fun fact. You can play me a song and then I can pretty much guess like the rest of them. Even if I don't know it, I will guess the rest of the melody. Like really easy. But I'm really bad with lyrics. Cannot remember lyrics, but I can guess. I can memorize melodies so good. I don't know. Something's wrong with me.
That's very impressive.
Yeah. Bit of a party trick I have. And guess the
party trick.
And guess the melody. Yeah.
Nice.
You can juggle and I can that's all I can do.
Hey, did you practice juggling?
I've been actually, it's been on my mind. It's on my list of things to get better at so I can beat Nick. It's one of the things.
Did
better
you
at
find something
juggling.
finally that you can be better at than me?
Well, I really think when it comes to gaming, Mario Kart.
Okay. Do you have plans for tomorrow?
Yes.
Nah, boo.
I'm gonna be snorkeling. Hey, I'm gonna go snorkeling with manta rays.
Oh,
You told me
fire!
to
I
do
did that. I did that in Bali too. It was pretty sick.
Yeah, you told me to do it. We're doing it this weekend.
Fire!
So I have an excuse to not verse you in Mario Kart. Why are you guys playing Mario Kart?
You in Mario Kart tomorrow?
Are you guys gonna play?
No, but I just thought we could do a London stream Mario Kart session.
Oh damn. Well, I'll be in the ocean with the mantas.
That's
But
cool too.
but Monday, you know, there's always Monday. I'm down to have this race. I think it's like the one thing I could potentially beat you at, or potentially because you don't know League of Legends. Like we could do like a Wild Rift Mobile League or something like that.
You know, I sound very, very arrogant when I laugh when she says she's going to beat me at Mario Kart. But when I asked her, do you drift? She said, you don't have to drift to win. So that tells me everything. I just know for a fact she's going to lose.
I sort of want to cancel the snorkeling now just so I can prove you wrong. But I can't.
I mean, look, maybe markets on Sunday are going to be, on Monday are going to be slow.
Yeah.
Because it's Easter Monday, and then we can do it.
All right. Sounds good. You better get your practice in this weekend.
Don't have to practice.
Whatever. Wait, I got to read out. FX Peter says, Celine, can you pull the money gun? I finally quit my full-time job yesterday. Hell yeah. That deserves a huge money gun.
Let's fucking go, man.
I remember that day too, my friend. I also had that day a couple years ago, and there is nothing greater than quitting full-time. I'm guessing like you're going full-time with trading, or if not, let us know. But amazing. Happy for you.
Ibrahim says, she's so cute. Thank you.
Whoa. Wait, Justin says watch for sharks. What? Have you done this tour? Apparently it's fine. Just manta rays and turtles. But guys, if you guys have done the snorkeling tour in Nusa Penida and I need to be aware of sharks, please let me know. Because I will stay on the boat.
Leah, 100% right. She says, so Celine, here's a fact. If you play Mario Kart with someone who doesn't drift, then you can win. But if you play with someone who always drifts, aka me, you don't, then you're toast. And that is so
But
correct.
while you're taking time to do your drift, I will be down way past you, far away. Because you're taking time to take the corner and I'm already down. Like,
let's play right now.
Let's take if we take the TP,
Okay.
I'll get it on.
Roman, go to my charts quick, please. We are 14 points away from TP.
No, we
14
both need
points away.
TP. Hold on. No.
Yeah, but this is going to be the first TP. Don't worry.
Okay. All right.
So I'm currently up $7,700 in this account. We need 9,000. It's over 9,000. 13 more points. 13 more points, chat. That is what we need. That is what we need. That is what we need. Okay, only 10 more points.
All right. Come on. TP incoming. Let's go.
Justin.
Wait, what did he say?
Somebody copied like the same comment 6 times and he was like, shut up. The only concern I have with Mario Kart still is the lag that we're gonna get, but let's see.
That's what I mean. If you're drifting, you're just wasting time. No, it's like, you know what, Nick? I can't be bothered. You'll just see.
You're shooting yourself in the leg here. Roman, my screen, please. We're so close to TP. Because we can hit my TP and then you can switch to Celine's screen and we hit her TP and everything's going to be fine.
Then we'll have a clip. How about that?
Oh, yeah. All right, 7 more points till TP.
I got the money gun ready.
4.
Let's go.
Nah, don't jinx it. Don't jinx it.
All right. Money gun away.
Never say money gun ready. Always just grab it when the TP hits. If you
Okay,
grab it
money
before
goes
the
down.
TP hits, we're getting cooked.
Take a deep breath.
Uh-huh.
Thank you. Come on. Come on. You're so close now. How many points?
4 points. 4 more points. We're up $8,500. We need 9,000. Very close. Very close.
Nice,
Even
nice, nice.
closer.
Stevie's so lucky. Says, thank you guys. Just made money on my private account. Enough to buy 2 more challenges.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
3 more points. 2 more points. Oh, we're almost there. So close. So close. 1 point. Oh, we got 2 filled.
Yeah.
We got 2 filled.
Huh?
We didn't get all filled.
I can't take this.
That's okay. It's okay. We're going to hit it.
Come on.
We
Come
got
on.
2 filled. 3 still open.
3 more. That's all we need.
We technically hit TP.
I want to get
There
the
we
money.
go. Oh, 4
Here we go,
filled.
here we go.
1 more. Hey, there we go.
Hey, TP smash.
Let's
Woo.
go. Money.
Nice.
Money. All right. 90
Nice
points. 5 minis. No.
What?
No.
You didn't pass.
No. Roman, we need screen. No. No.
That is crazy. Dude, what kind of math did you do on that?
No.
Oh my god. Did you get slipped? How?
$3.80. No.
All right, you need to quickly enter.
No.
It's not meant to be.
Yeah, it is meant to be. Just wait. We're gonna go to micros now.
Oh my god.
MNQ. 1 micro. Buy. TP.
Come on.
And $9 just to be sure. Actually, don't need $9.
No.
6.
Oh
Not
my
even.
gosh, I can't watch this.
That would be so funny. I need 5. Just 5.
Why is it doing
I'm gonna be fine. Don't worry. We're gonna get it.
It's because you were talking shit about me in Mario Kart.
Yeah, I'm gonna beat your ass in Mario Kart. Don't worry.
Karma. And he's giving you
It's all
karma.
fine. We're all fine.
Dude, what?
Leia
What
says if you
else
lose,
is
don't
crazy?
trade more. I will not lose. Look, I'm up $8,995 on this account, and I'm in 1 micro. You know how many points it takes to blow this account now? Because I have a drawdown of $14,000 now, right? So that means I would literally need to lose 7,000 points. So what do you think is more realistic? NQ going down 7,000 points or going up to my TP, which is sitting like 30 points higher? No, not even. Wait, it's sitting 12 points higher. 12 versus 7,000.
You would have to be the world's most unlucky man for that to happen.
Oh yeah, that would be a funny story. That would be a funny post.
I mean, I'm still in this trade, but it's way more exciting to watch Nick's chart right now.
Yeah.
I'm just still in my same long, but we need to know if Nick's gonna.
And don't worry about 1 red candle, chat. It literally doesn't matter. We are gonna get this. If it is during the New York session, I'll hold this shit. 1 micro. I'm not gonna DCA into it. At least not now. Maybe later.
It better be in London because I want my TP.
That's true. Good point. That was funny though. That's gonna be a great clip. Roman, there you go.
Yeah, there you go, Roman. Remember that one. $4 is crazy.
Not
Did you
even
not do that?
$3.80.
$3. Oh, it hurts.
No, it doesn't hurt. We're gonna get it. Just watch. You gotta be confident in your trade, you know?
Yeah, that's right. You know what your friend said? Go in with the expectation that you are gonna fucking bank. So you're gonna make this money, Nick.
Hell yeah.
Those three
Oh, yeah,
that
yeah.
$3.80 is yours. You just gotta believe it.
Hell yeah, I will be. I do believe.
And yes, I am break even on the trade now. Get smoked. Yes. Only because we did come back up to previous day low. I'm not sure if we can have a reaction here. So for it to drop now, like, I don't know how many points this would be. Where are we?
Over 9,000.
From the high 880 to it would be 60 points to tag me out break even. So I'm happy with that. It's going to come all the way back down there. I'd rather be out of the trade. That's the logic behind that.
JMN Trade says, DCA, Nick, this is how you lose an account. If you're so close to passing and then you enter with 1 micro and then you think, oh, okay, let me now DCA to 2 micros. Let me now DCA to 3, to 4, to 5. And then suddenly you're in like fucking 4 minis. And then yes, you blow the account. But think about it this way. As I said before, I'm up $8,995 on this account, plus the initial drawdown. And since we have end of day drawdown, right? If we go to the website here really quick, you can see this always. I have a 150K growth account. So my daily loss limit is 3,750, right? But it's end of day trailing. So in this case, I have the 3,750, which is 3,750 plus the 8,995. So I have $12,745 of drawdown. With 1 micro, I'm not going to blow that account. I can literally hold this trade the entire day, and it could take me out by the end of the day because it didn't go back up. But then maybe I would be down, like, let's say if it drops, I don't know, let's say it drops 1,000 points. I would be down $2,000. Great. I'm still up 7,000 on this account. And I can continue on like tomorrow. But if I DCA, yeah, then I will blow it. That's how it works.
Logic. Sometimes you make a lot of sense, Nick. Sometimes.
Rarely, but sometimes.
Hey, Leia, 400 likes, guys. Wait, we're almost going to hit the like goal right now. Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, and almost 700 of you here. Wow. Everyone coming for the London session. We love it. All right, let's have a look. What are we at? 406 likes, chat. We said 414. So you're very close. 8 more likes. How's that for quick maths? 8 more likes.
It's crazy how it immediately dumped though after I entered that.
I know.
And it's crazy. What's even crazier is look at the TP on NQ that I had. This was like top tick. Nicholas Wickolas.
That was
TP.
a nice TP. And you would have like top ticked the shorts too. You would have been in like the perfect short position right now if you had just sold.
You know what though? I don't think this move to the upside is over. It's just that we tapped the 60-70. So on 60-70 usually rejects on NQ.
The 6-7.
Yeah, for real. 60-70 is usually a tough zone for NQ to break through. And oftentimes we get pullbacks at that level.
That's interesting. That is interesting. Nathan says, great entry, wrong direction. I know, if anyone decided to fade Nick at that moment, then you know what? I'll give you that. This is the only time.
Business Lens picked violence again today. Don't worry, I'll screenshot it for later. Thank you.
Yeah, I got screenshots ready for that one too.
Nice. Nice. Oh, we hit the like goal, huh?
Oh, we did. Yeah, we were close.
430. Now we need 500 for 150K lightning funded.
Let's go. And welcome to anyone who is new, by the way, because we have a lot watching us today. So welcome. If you're new, make sure you subscribe so you can join us in the chat. And yeah, we love having newbies.
Oh, yeah. Gabe, what happens to an account if you don't pay the subscription? I believe it's getting canceled automatically. But you probably get a couple reminders beforehand.
Am I going to get stop break even on this? Come on. I was really hoping for a big move here.
I mean, it's just a pullback.
Yeah, there's a pullback, but I'm just worried where my break even now would be 827.
Ooh, okay.
Quite a bit.
I see your concern.
I'm just trying to think if there's anything else I can cover it by. I think I will leave it there. And I think if it does want to take me out, I will still look if there is another possibility to re-enter. That's fine. Because we still haven't really made the full move. We're still so far. Where I think we could go, we're still very far from. So
I agree with you.
Happy to take a break even on that, but let's see.
Yeah, Marcus, that's what I'm saying. Even if it drops 1,000 points, I'm going to be down $2,000. Okay, great. Tomorrow I'm starting this account with $7,000 profit, and I only need 2,000 more. But it is more likely that before it does that, it's going to hit my TP, and I'll pass the account today. So that's why 1 micro, and you're chilling. That's how you pass accounts.
Ryan says, I've been watching for 3 weeks and it's great. Love the London stream, but the Spud kills it. Also, Celine and solid TPs, Nick, with that beautiful head of hair. I'm jealous. We love you, Brian. And yes, Nick has the most solid head of hair there.
Let me actually screenshot this and send this to the team. This is funny.
That's funny. No, we're still yet to see his hair move. I don't know if it's real. I will tell you guys when I finally meet Nick in person. I will tell you whether it's real. I'll just try to make his hair off his head or something.
It's just like gonna rip my toupee off.
Hi, I'm Celine. Just try to grab his hair off. Where a possible rebound is assumed at what level?
Here.
For me, yeah, right here. I don't use like VWAP or any of those levels. So for me, I don't really see where we could be retracing back into. If anything, I'd probably use the fib to see where we could potentially, because we did have this move up from Frankfurt Open. So 50% could retrace back into 23,817 before we bounce, but I could be totally wrong there. We can check out where VWAP is. Where is VWAP?
Beep bop.
Beep bop. Okay.
Leah says 700 viewers during London. Amazing. Hell yeah. We're taking over here. Taking over.
London's where it's at. Guys, drop it in the chat. Where are you guys watching from? I know some of you are in the US, which is crazy. But drop it in the chat really quick. Where are you guys from? I would love to know. Like a majority of you guys in Europe? Sweden, Poland, Hungary. So cool. Portugal, Spain, Romania, Hawaii, Switzerland. Singapore, shout out to Singapore. Love Singapore. Just recently.
Saudi Arabia, damn. New York.
Saudi.
Bangladesh.
Yeah, Bangladesh.
South Africa. India.
Cool.
Hey, my Indian brothers.
Lithuania.
Somebody said the moon. Damn, you're on that moon mission right now? Fire. Maldives. Oh, spoke dick. I'm so jealous.
From Male. Make sure I say that right.
No, from male. Man.
Oh, thank you. Nelly says from Kenya Slee. My mom says you look so young. Thank you. I still like to claim that I am young. Like below 30 is still young, right? 30 plus and yeah. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, are you trying to roast me or what?
No, I know. I'm not trying to. You're probably like 10 times healthier and everything.
Business lens. Wow, he really chose violence today. It's like she looks 35.
My day would have been so much better if we just, skipped on past that one, Nick. But anyway.
Nah, the business lens, we can't take the business lens seriously.
No, it's all right. Business lens, you can say anything and I'll still just laugh. It's fine.
Yeah. You're literally the one person we will never take seriously in here.
Like, you could have said I look 60 and I will take that as a compliment just because it's from you. Like, thank you so much. All right, now we have to read out. Andre the Giant says Nick looks 30 plus. Celine looks 24. Yay!
I mean, you're not wrong. I am 30 plus, so.
And I am 24.
How about 6, 7?
Had to. Someone had to. Come on, NQ. We're going up. New York. Oh, I'm so jealous. I want to go to New York.
New York
It's
is
on my
cool.
bucket list. It's like I've just always wanted to go there, and
I mean,
I will get there.
You were close when you were in Miami. Why did you not?
I was.
Go to New
Because
York,
there
huh?
was an intense snowstorm at the time I was in Miami.
Fair point. Fair point.
For some reason, like the one time I traveled to the US, it was like the worst time to be traveling. So next time, and I was planning to go to the World Cup this year, but I'm not anymore for obvious reasons.
Suzuki says, "Be real, Celine. You are 2-3 years since program." Nope, she is actually a couple months since I programmed her.
Wow, I must be getting like very intelligent because these guys think I'm 2 to 3 years into my programming.
And
Getting too
Marcos,
smart.
Marcos, that's so right. I mean, I don't take Celine seriously when she says she's going to beat you at FIFA or Mario Kart or anything else on this planet.
You know what? I could actually beat you at soccer in real life. I'm gonna put it out there, like just a
doubt it.
penalty shootout.
Nope, I'll beat your ass.
Not in soccer.
Okay, I will.
Did you play ever?
Yes. That face, I love it. Did you play ever? Mm-hmm.
I'm just like instant defeat. I already know. I gotta find something, Chad. Help me. What would he have not done or played or like? Something. Because right now he plays paddle, tennis, soccer, plays FIFA, Mario Kart, squash, friggin' swimming, maybe even.
No, that's something you would beat me at.
No, but that's the one thing I will admit I can't.
I can barely stay afloat.
I don't know if I want to risk it because I'm the same. Like this snorkeling tour this weekend, I'm the one that's like, "Excuse me, can I have a life jacket?" That's me. So I don't know. Swimming's probably the last thing. That's if like last resort.
Yipcha, you're right. League of Legends 1v1, no way. Absolutely, because I've never played it. I don't even know what to do. I don't even know what.
Yeah,
it is.
like that would be unfair, right? I feel bad.
It's the same as if we would do an Age of Empires 1v1. Like she would be cooked in 3 seconds.
Yeah, I'll admit I probably would be.
Yeah, but I admit I will be cooked in League of Legends because I've never played it. Fortnite, I've never played it. MMQS, so same thing.
We have to find
Table
some like
tennis, no, table tennis. I would smoke her easy.
I really want to try that. This table tennis, I'm actually genuinely really good at.
Leia says, "Nick, you and me 1v1 in Street Basket." Oh, you would smoke me. Basketball, I'm not good at.
No, I'm not good at that.
But maybe I would still smoke you, Leia. Hey, gents, I love Age of Empires too. Age of Empires is so goated. Actually, currently, Age of Empires World Championships are going on. Red Bull Wololo. It's the sickest thing ever. Yesterday during a meeting I had, I was watching the Red Bull Age of Empires Championships.
I know exactly what meeting that was. Or am I wrong?
Yeah, we were waiting, so.
Oh.
Tie 3, Wii tennis, I'd smoke her, easy. She doesn't even know what Wii is because she's too young.
Shut the hell up. That's like, oh my god. Like, even Wii Mario Kart, I would smash you. Wii anything. Wii like bowling. Wii bowling, I would destroy.
Wii bowling, you get smoked, easy.
There's a trick to that.
Easy peasy smoke.
Celine beat him on a coin flip. Guys, is that how much you believe in me? Like it's down to a coin flip? That's the only thing. Well, the other week someone was like, Celine, who would give birth first? That's the only thing Celine would beat him at.
That was the funniest comment ever. I swear, that was so good.
Yeah, that was so good. I'll be honest.
Really
but,
good.
God, I expected more from you.
Mind Dave says, "I think she's really smart. Let's do chess." I'm down. Want to play chess?
Chess? Like, I've played chess. Yes, you guys aren't wrong, but I'm not the best. Poker! What about poker?
Honestly, I don't play poker. I would need to learn
I'm good
it
at
first.
poker. I'm good at poker.
I would need to learn it first.
I'm not great. I think we'd be an even playing field.
Well, I don't know.
I don't know. Stories by Shrayan, by the way. I know a couple of you asking for my indicator. You can grab my indicator. There's a link in my Instagram to that, but it's basically something I had developed for my trading and yeah, just to make it easier for me to visualize my stuff. And I'm about to stop break even on this crazy drop here. Nick, you literally short entry.
I top ticked the TP and then top ticked the short entry as a long.
Imagine the business lens. Did you fade him then? Because that actually would have worked.
That would have worked. But honestly, I need 2.5 points. I can hold this trade all day. It's never going to blow my account. Because I would literally need to lose 6,000 points to blow it. And then I don't even blow it. Then I would hit DLL. So there's absolutely no way on earth I'm going to hit DLL on this account today. No, it's not even possible. Because if you have the 7% down rule, right? So 23, well, we're already down like 1%. So let's say it's still 7% from here would be 23,839.5 times 0.07. That would be 1,600 points down. Then we hit the 7%, then market gets halted, right? And then we have another at 13%. So after 3,000 points, it would be over for today. So if we hit 20,000 something on NQ today, which is very, very, very highly unlikely, I will get stopped out and I would still be in profit on this account. And that's why you don't DCA when you only need so little to hit your target. Because even if I get stopped out, even if we hit a market halt at 7% down and then at 13% down, I still have the account in profit tomorrow. Like, I can't lose. I literally can't lose. I can't. Only if I average into it. Then I'm cooked.
I think we're about to get stopped here, and I'm glad about that because that dropped like 80 points from. There we go. All right, we're out of that break even. I think that's great risk management because honestly, for it to drop that much back to my entry, I don't like the chances of this. So I'm gonna wait. Still like the longs, honestly, until we break again below previous 4-hour low. I still like this for the longs. So I'm gonna wait and see if we get another setup now.
Oh yeah. Refreshing the like count. We're currently sitting at 495. Damn, chat. You guys are cooking. We need 500 for a lightning funded account. 150k lightning funded account, that is.
Hell
so I'll already set that up.
We're going up. Well, it looks like we're not going up. Kind of a failed move there.
Hey, we got the like goal. 512 likes, 700 people watching.
Hell
you guys
yeah.
definitely deserve that we're giving away 150k lightning funded account.
That's so fire. And honestly, this is the last stream of the week, so I think it's great to go out on a bang like that in the week like that.
Yep.
Let's go.
All right.
Should we do it?
Yeah, if you want to take part in this giveaway, chat, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and I will send you a link to a Google form here in a second in the chat. You have to fill out that Google form, but only fill it out once. If you fill it out more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the Google form is before I send it, you will also get disqualified. If you ask me where it is after I send it, you will also be disqualified. But just don't ask, okay? Here you go. Good luck, everybody else.
Good luck, everybody.
Ha, I missed the command. Just a V in there.
What is the firm? Oh, Lulu.
What is the firm?
Good old what is the firm?
Yeah, a classic.
Where is Brett Simba?
Wait, what?
Someone just like, where is Brett Simba?
In Miami, asleep.
Whoa, Wei June 826 says, I've been trading in my funded account for almost 4 months now, consistently using small positions to learn how to trade, and I'm almost ready to withdraw $3,000. Let's go. That is great discipline, great risk management. Obviously, you've been able to survive, stay alive in your funded account, and honestly, being able to withdraw 3,000. I don't know what size your account is, but you've obviously traded very smoothly, and you should be very proud of that. So, hopefully, you go and withdraw that cash soon, and we can celebrate it. Really nice.
I love how Heinz says, "Where's the Google phone?"
Oh, these guys
I
always.
love it. We're gonna do the giveaway in 20 seconds.
Oh, this guy was like 1v1 in Sudoku. I don't hate that. You know what Sudoku is?
Sudoku, of course. I would smoke you, as usual.
I reckon the brain games we could be on. I feel like I'm pretty quick. Like, maybe I can't beat you in physical challenges or gaming, but like smarts? Maybe I could chat.
Let's find out.
Maybe I could outsmart him.
Let's find out.
Good. Are you good at maths?
When money is involved, yes.
When money is involved. Let me think. On that.
Roman, let's go to my screen because I'm still in a trade. Thanks.
I'm gonna think on that one.
IQ test live on stream, says Justin.
Yes. That would actually be it. IQ test. That would be it.
That's funny.
I'm down. I would smoke
All
you
right.
an IQ test.
All right. Let's do the giveaway.
Yeah, let's do it. 150k lightning funded on the line.
Lightning funded. Let's fucking go. This is a $500 account after the discount is applied. So pretty big.
I think the biggest on the London stream.
460 people who are all fighting for a 150k lightning funded account. Whoo, chat. Let's see who wins this.
Dude.
150k lightning funded account goes to the lucky Trader Ben FX. What the fuck?
No.
How?
No, just for context. No way. This is the same guy.
How, brother? How are you doing this?
Brother.
And all he says in the chat is just thanks.
No, guys, it's rigged. That's it.
This is incredible. Wait, let me check if he didn't fill it out more than once. He did not. Look, here's proof, chat. Here's proof.
Dude,
Trader Ben FX, fill it out. 1 of 1.
Just to clarify, this is the guy that said, like, thanks, this is my 3rd account I've won in the last couple of months.
This is fucking insane. This is actually insane.
Trader Ben, no, like Trader Ben, I'm happy for you, but you've got to admit, like, these odds are very, very insane.
This is crazy.
Like, if you don't go put all your money on like black at the casino today, I don't know.
Absolutely
you are
insane.
one very lucky guy. Chat, it's not rigged.
Very, very lucky. No, it's not rigged. I literally showed it. There is one entry of his.
It all checks out. That is crazy. He's in some sort of flow state with life. I don't know. Everything is coming that guy's way.
Insane.
Go and buy a lottery ticket or something, my guy. It's crazy.
MS Dusty Trade says, lol, set a rule, can't win more than once per month. Now that would be rigged. Like, we're literally giving the same chance to everybody every single time. We're not rigging anything.
No, and it's better to just keep it absolutely random. Like,
yeah,
it is. It's literally, this is luck. This is how it goes. This is the exact same thing can happen at a casino. It is just luck.
It's insane.
Yeah, it is crazy. It's crazy that we all know him as well. Trader Ben. Hey.
Yeah. It's like, oh, him again. Cool.
We got to get you on stream or something, Trader Ben. Well, I hope you're getting payouts with all these accounts.
Oh, hell yeah. 150k lightning funded. I mean, come on. Trader Ben, now real talk. This is my 4th time in 5 months, he said. Trader Ben, real talk. How many funded accounts do you have right now? Let's hear it.
Maverick, can we ban him?
That is crazy.
Yes, 4 times in 5 months is insane.
That is insane. Actually. I want to hear it now. Do Ramsey, do the odds. It's impossible. Well, it's 1 in 470 or 60, however much it
Yeah,
was.
but let's say it's those odds every day. So 5 days a week we stream. And he said for the past 5 months. So we stream 20 days a month.
It's a 0.2% chance to win.
That is crazy.
That's actually crazy. Okay, so he says he has 1 funded account, my first ever eval, and 1 here on November 7th London stream. Well, now you have 2 funded accounts because you just won 150k lightning funded. Let's fucking go. This is fire. All right,
That is insane.
chat. That's been an amazing stream. Thank you all for tuning in. Put a W in the chat if you love this stream. Put an L in the chat if you hate us. And we're going to be back today with another 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time New York stream with Sputnik at first, the real human form Sputnik. And then at 9, he switches to the potato Sputnik and I'll be joining him. And then, of course, tomorrow there will be no streams, no London stream, no New York stream. And we will be back on Monday with our usual 8 a.m. London stream. We appreciate you all. Now, before we sign off, Celine, any inspirational words for the chat?
Inspiration is, guys, what can I say? Look, risk management is always going to be a best friend in trading. I think, like, looking at this trade that I've taken, I'm very glad that I've taken the break even if this goes up again. I think chances are if it was going to fall 80 points back to my entry, I would have rather not been in the trade because there was a high chance that it could just keep falling and taking me out SL. So I think if there's one takeaway, it's just risk management is your best friend. And that way, if you have a plan going into your trade, you can never be burned because you're just following the plan and whatever it is. But I still like NQ for long, so I will be keeping an eye out. Nick also in these. Obviously, we want to see that account pass Nick, so I'll be tuning into New York to check on it. But yeah, I will also be trying to stab at another long here. If I get a setup, I will post. But guys, have an amazing long weekend. Obviously, have a safe weekend and happy Easter to those who celebrate. And I will be with you guys Monday for a normal London session stream.
Before we leave, Roman, if you could go to my screen one last time. Look at that, chat. We are now coming back up, right? Doesn't mean that it's necessarily going to do it. It's not necessarily going to do it in this move, but I'm just telling you, when you're that close to passing an eval, and I was $3.80 away, or that close to getting a payout on a funded, never, ever, ever go in with more than 1 micro, and then calculate how long can you hold that micro, and what are the chances it's actually going to go down there versus up there. And do not DCA, because then you're going to cook yourself. I'm just going to hold this, and I'm very, very, very confident it's going to hit the $5 target. And if not, I might be down $1,000, $2,000 on the day on this account for tomorrow. But that means tomorrow I get to start with $157,000 balance or $158,000 balance, and I only need 1K more, right? So very important lesson here. Hope it helps, and we'll see you later in New York. Peace out.
Peace.